That is it, America. Pegasus, our 2022 Ford Bronco Wildtrak sweepstakes is officially closed on February 24th at 2 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. I will be calling the winner, who is being selected right now by our third-party sweepstakes company in a blind drawing. So it's open to everyone who entered. Our 9th rig is done. But you know what that means. Once one ends, another begins. I'm not gonna show it to you, but you could hear it start up. Listen to Cerberus. Oh yeah, you probably know what that is. In a couple days, we'll be launching Cerberus. So if you're a member, you're automatically entered into that rig when it opens. We're gonna start off with 4X entries. Very important in the meantime. If you get a DM from a company that looks like us, it is spam, fake news. The only way we're contacting the winner is by phone call. So have your phones ready, hit that notification, and subscribe to our YouTube channel in order to be the first to see our live stream on February 24th at 2 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Let's go.